Sprint to them. Okay, stop now. So, Sergio, you will receive the ball. You decide to drive left or to drive right. Drive. One dribble and shot. Okay, decide. What will you do if he's driving in the middle? Move over there. Move over there. No, without the ball. Without the ball. Drive, pass to him, and go to take ball from the coach, hand off and shoot. So, if he is driving in the middle, you move over there. If he is driving baseline, you replace him. Pass, anyway, you go to the take ball from coach Bruno to shoot. Okay? Clear? Let's go. Just repeat. Too late. Stop. Go back. Timing. Go back. Sergio, if you are Sergio, you cannot dribble on the left side and right hand. First of all. So when you take ball here, you cannot dribble here. Dribble here, don't catch all the dribble pass. After that, take hand off. Immediately when you start flying. Let's go. Together. Work together. Come on. Pass together. Up. Bravo. Go up. Receive the ball. Shoot. Let's go. Next. You can change. You can drive baseline. So it's about training. Of course, you can put coaches in different positions. Can be corner and wing. Oh, beside you. Come on. Go on. Coach is here. Can I use this pass? Especially you. I mean, you are short. You cannot play. He's big man. So, you're driving here, pivot back and pass to him. This is passing technique on drive and kick. Always escape from defense. Because this pass, I don't like too much because we don't know how high defender can jump. Defender will be here. I will be here. So, why you are coming to me? You should come to me or you should escape from me. So go over there on the arm. Then when he pass, look now, this is easy for you. You can make it. Okay? So, always